Hi, my name is Taylor with TenantCloud, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a maintenance request in TenantCloud. First, click the Maintenance tab on the left side menu. This screen is where you can find all your work orders. There are three different statuses: New, In Progress, and Resolved. To create a new maintenance request, click the Add Maintenance Request button in the top right corner. First, you will want to fill out the sidebar on the right. Here you can set the priority, the property, select the tenant, list an available date and time frame, authorization to enter, and list if there is a pet in the house. Now, select the main category, like plumbing. Choose the subcategory, such as toilet, and then narrow down the issue to what is wrong with the toilet. We'll say it's leaking when flushed. You are then taken to the main maintenance request page. Enter in any details that you have on the issue, such as water all over the floor. You have the option to upload pictures or videos of the issue that needs to be fixed. Next, assign the client and fill out the date initiated, end date, time, and any supplies or materials used. Once you are finished, click Create, and you will be taken back to the page with all your maintenance requests, and the new request will show up under the New column. So that shows you just how easy it is to create a maintenance request within TenantCloud. To start managing your maintenance requests and invoices for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.